Hi there, welcome to YouTube. My name is Roland. Today I'm going to show you how to find the audio library inside of YouTube. So you're going to be on your account, right? You're going to go up here to the right. Click on your picture or whatever your icon is. You're going to scroll down here to YouTube Studio, click on that. Alright, now we're in the channel dashboard. Look over here to the left. You'll see dashboard. Just scroll down and come right here. You'll come to audio library. Click on it and the audio library will open up. So right here is your audio library. You'll see there's all different kinds of audios that you can use for free. So if you want to use, let's get this straight right away. You can use this for free and you don't have to put any information in the description of your video. So if you click here on this upside down triangle, click on this and you come down here. So all the music I was just showing you over here on the right, you can scroll down, there's all different kinds of genres. There's no attribution required. If you want to use another source of music, like right here, there's all kinds of music here and audio and sounds. Attribution is required. So what will happen, you'll see right here, license type. This column explains details you might want to know about using the audio track. If you hover over that, you'll say you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. However, you must include attribution information in your video description. So we'll click on View Details. And when you download this music and you go to use it in your videos, you'll want to copy this information right here that's in this box. You just click on copy. And this is where you will add this information to the description of your video when you're doing your editing on YouTube. Not the editing of your video, but the editing inside YouTube of all the information about your video. So that's two different kinds. You got attribution required, and then there's attribution not required. So we'll close that out. We'll go to attribution not required just to show you the difference. See over here, license type. This column explains details you might want to know about using the audio track. You're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So now let's look at something else. Let's go down here. So here's where you can search music. Let's say you want to do a video that has bluegrass or banjo in the music. You just type in banjo right here or bluegrass and you'll get all kinds of bluegrass and banjo audios. You can go by genre. So you can click on genre. You can see all the different types of genres. Cinematic, children's, country and folk, jazz and blues, just goes on and on. Let's say we wanted to pick jazz and blues. Click apply. So now you have all jazz and blues music. I'll scroll down and you can see that. Now if you come down here to the bottom, there's 30 songs. If you click here, rows per page, you can click up to 50 or 100. So now you have, I believe, a row of 100 songs. So if you click here on the arrows, you go to the next 100 songs. And it just goes on like that. Now say you want to narrow it down more. Say you want jazz and blues as your genre. Sometimes you have to click on this a few times. Okay, here we go. So now you want to click the mood. So click on mood. Do you want bright? Like say you're looking for a jazz song. Do you want it bright? Do you want it calm? Happy, inspirational, sad? So let's say we went with calm. Click apply. So you can narrow all this down to whatever you want. Now let's say, we'll click on this again. Let's say you're clicking for a song that's a certain duration. Let's say 1.5 minutes, so that's 90 seconds. So we'll apply. So all songs over 1.5 minutes. So there you go. They're all over 1.5 minutes. So let's say you want to click on, let's say you pick Black Terrier Blues. Let's just give it a quick listen. So that's 2 minutes of Black Terrier Blues. So I'll pause that for a second. Let's say you want to download this. So you already know it's free to use and you don't have to put any attribution in the description of your video. So you just click here on download and it'll download to your computer in your downloads, and that's where you'll find it, and that's where you can upload when you're in your video editor and you want to add this music to your video clips. All you have to do is go to add to the library, which is or add to your media in your video editor. A window will pop up and you can choose from your computer. You'll be able to find it in your downloads, and you just have to click on that song and open, and it'll upload to your video editor so that you can add it to your video clips. So basically that's it. That's how you find music in the audio library. This video helped you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll be adding more helpful YouTube videos in the future. And give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video. Be sure to head back to my channel. Look under the playlists. You'll find a playlist called YouTube Basics. And in this playlist, I have a bunch of videos. Basic startup for YouTube. If you're just getting started to YouTube and you want to learn how to open an account and certain things like that, just go there, and there's a few videos in there that will be sure to help you, and I'll be adding more as time goes.